Hello and welcome to this video. I'd like to show you guys how to change a light in track lighting. So as you can see, this lamp here is no longer working, whereas the other lamps, 1, 2, 3, and 4, these are all working. But this guy's not, so let's switch it out. Okay, so first things first, let's switch off the light itself. Let's also switch off the breaker to be extra safe, just like that. Okay, and you see here, this is the track itself. This is called an H track, and it's got 120 volts. So in order to remove this guy, just pull down on this little springed, I don't know what you call it, cover, and we're gonna twist outwards like that. And that way it's removed, as simple as that. Now in my case, these are LEDs and this is all one piece, so I would have to buy a new one. You can order these on Amazon. I will put a couple links for suggestions, or you can go to your local Home Depot. I have noticed, however, going to Home Depot, they're quite a bit more expensive than Amazon. And they're all basically no names coming from China anyway. So take a look and see what you can find. When you do get your replacement, go ahead and do the reverse process. You got basically two copper strips on that side, and you got just one on this side. So what we're gonna do is put our new lamp in, and we're gonna just twist it back. We'll pull down on this cover and twist it up in there into the tracks, just like so. And now the cover fits in there as well, and you're good to go. Turn the breaker back on. Then flip the light switch and good to go. By the way, this is what it looks like on the inside. That's the springiness in there. And looking at the wiring, you got this singular tab on this side is the line side. So that's coming from the power supply, goes through the light and exits here on this side. The white wire comes out here on the left. That's what they call the neutral. And this middle part here is the ground. Alright guys, I hope that the video helped you. If so, give it a like, and whatever the case, until next time, wish you a good day. Bye now.